Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a little project we made today. We've recently hired a guy to do like 12 acres of civiculture, so there's a lot of brushwood laying around. So my thought was, what a shame to put that to waste, you know? We can burn it or use it, but it's quite a job to go inside with the chainsaw and actually make logs out of it. So today we made a sawhorse. So we're gonna go get some wood. I'm just gonna videotape how it works and how it was made. I'm just gonna go around so you guys can see. It's fairly easy, so let me know what you think. Alright, so I just finished using my chainsaw, and I won't be going in the brush again. That's probably the best way to actually get some brushwood and get some logs out of it. It's safer. It took me 5 minutes compared to going in the brush, which I usually do, and I'm usually there for like 2 hours. So yeah, I love this project. I recommend it for everyone. It's really easy to do. Basically, I bought all junk wood at a store. It cost me maybe like $5-6 to do. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like my stuff, like and subscribe. Thanks.